This is the Scientific Egg Challenge. We're going to see if my dog can distinguish the difference between a regular egg and a hard-boiled egg. This is scary! No! Alright, so here's the regular egg. Let's see what happens. I don't think she's interested in this one. Not interested. The dog can definitely sense the hard-boiled egg and literally tries to peel it and eat it. And with the regular egg, she's very careful with it, but then is not interested in the egg at all. Such a good girl. Oh, she knows what that's all about.